What's up guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to ride a longboard. Okay, I'm gonna show you the basic because I only know the basic. Well, you're gonna know the core, all right, before you get ahead. So I'm gonna show you the basic. All right, let's go. So if you're right foot dominant, so you're gonna step on your board right feet first, and then you're gonna swing on your left feet. Okay, come closer, Mr. Camera. Show me the foot right there. So you're gonna go to the board like this. You walk up to the board. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, back up, walk up to the board, slide and swing. Okay, swing. All right. Watch my feet. So you're gonna switch your feet like that. You're cruising. Okay? So from here, you switch it your right foot like that. Okay? So when you're slowing down, you're ready to swing, come up like that, and then you swing again. Okay? All right.
It's hard.
It's hard. So you're gonna walk up to your board, okay, and get a little swing. You see my stance? You see my stance? Okay, now you're cruising. All right, you're cruising.